Hey everybody, we're back with the grammar book, pages 50 and 51. We're talking about capitalizing proper nouns. So each word of a proper noun should begin with a capital letter. Like your name, you have a first name and a last name, some of your middle names. All of those words get a capital. So even if there's a title like Ms., or Mr., the title and all the other words in the name get a capital letter because they're names of specific things. So we have the name of a person, we have the name of a day. Just the word day doesn't get a capital, but Sunday does. The word month does not usually have a capital. The word January, the name of a month, that one needs to have a capital. So what we're going to be doing is looking for the proper noun in each of the sentences, the name, and then we're going to rewrite just the noun, not the whole sentence. Look how short the lines are. So we're going to circle the name, and then we're going to write it correctly with the capitals. Our principal's name is, oh boy, they give you a real clue there, Mrs. Lara Garcia. All of that is her name, not just Lara. Mrs. Lara Garcia is the name. So each one of those words, or in this case, abbreviation, gets a capital letter. The M in the title Mrs., the L in Lara, and the G in Garcia. Have you met Officer Bill Brown? The name again is of a person, Bill Brown. Both words get a capital B. I have an appointment with my dentist, Dr. Paul Costa. What's the name? The name is the name of the dentist, Dr. Paul Costa. Here, the title is doctor, and that is part of his name. So we get a capital D for doctor, a capital P for Paul, and a capital C for Costa. All right? At the bottom here, we're going to look at each word. There's 3 words, and we're going to say, is it a day or a month? And then we're going to write it correctly on the line. In order to write it correctly, that means we have to put a capital letter. Tuesday. Is that a day or a month? That is a day, and it gets a capital T. That word is spelled oddly. Tuesday. June. Is that a day of the week or a month of the year? That is a month. We're going to give it a capital J. You can put the head on the top if you want, or you can just leave it. April, that is also a month, so we are starting it with a capital A. Go ahead and pause if you need to catch up with any of those writing, any of those words, and then I'm going to move to page 51. So here we are still capitalizing proper nouns. These are names, though, of holidays and places, geographic names and holidays. So a geographic name is the name of a place. So if I said mountain, mountain is not a specific particular mountain. It's just any mountain, and so it does not have a capital. You say the Rocky Mountains, that then is the name of one mountain range, and we need to put the capitals. So we're going to underline the name and then write the sentences correctly. And here it's a geographic name, so the name of a place. I live on Elm Street. Elm Street is the place here. We're going to underline this time. Both of those words, just like we were talking before, both of those words are part of the name. So street does not normally get a capital, but if it's Elm Street, we're talking about one street in particular. So street is part of the name. Emily lives near Lake Michigan. Lake can just be any old lake, but Lake Michigan is the name of a lake. We took a trip to Florida. Here it's only one word, the place. Still starts with a capital. Florida is a state. All right, now those were the geographic names. Let's take a look at these holidays at the bottom of the page. Underline the holiday in each sentence and then rewrite the sentence correctly on the line. I think I'm going to need to adjust my camera just a little bit. Good. So we're going to underline the holiday and then rewrite the sentence. We watched a parade on Thanksgiving. What's the holiday here? Thanksgiving. And we're going to rewrite the sentence. So we still need to start with a capital. We watched a parade on Thanksgiving, capital. Is our school open on President's Day? It's not. We just had that, didn't we? So the holiday here is President's Day. Both words are part of that holiday name, so both of those words need a capital. Is our school open on President's Day? Notice the apostrophe coming after the S because we have more than one president that we celebrate on that day. We plant trees on Arbor Day. What's the holiday? Arbor Day may not be a holiday you're familiar with. We plant trees on Arbor Day. It's not a day that you get off of school, so it's not a holiday you think about very often. If you need to pause to catch up, go right ahead, and I'll see you next time.